I did not believe it either, but it's true. With this your hair grow without control every minute. Who does not like to wear long, healthy hair? In today's video we propose 2 impressive shakes. 1. Liquids of Liquids and Oats. We recommend this shake especially to those who have dry hair or skin and those who want to enhance the growth of hair and nails. 1. Medlars. Medlars are rich in vitamin A and also combine very well in smoothies thanks to their bitterness. 2. Oats. This ingredient is one of the most complete, so you should not miss out on our food. 3. Milk. Milk is a good source of vitamin A if we digest it well. If not, we can replace it with a yogurt or a vegetable drink. Amounts for 2 people or 2 servings, 2 loaves peeled and grated. 75 grams of oatmeal, 1 glass of milk, 1 yogurt or a glass of vegetable drink. 2. Rice milkshake. In this shake we will prioritize foods rich in micronutrients that favor hair growth. 1. Rice. This cereal is an important source of silicon, 300 milligrams per 100 grams, and is also an excellent breakfast, very nutritious and satiating. 2. Pear. One of the fruits richest in silicon, which will also add sweetness to the smoothie. 3. Brewer's yeast. This supplement, essential in any natural treatment for the skin or hair, has a high content of silicon. Amounts for 2 people or rations, 2 tablespoons boiled rice soaked for 2 hours or a glass of rice milk. 2 ripe pears. If we have used boiled rice, then we will also add 150 milliliters of water.